Ready to build a website that turns curious visitors into loyal Aisensy users. First, choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress. It's flexible and packed with features. Install WordPress on your hosting. Access the WordPress dashboard to get started. Next, select a theme that screams professional and modern. Astra, OceanOp, and Generatepris are great options, especially for showcasing tech products. Find the Appearance tab on the left-hand side of the WordPress dashboard. Click on Themes, then click Add New. Now, level up the design with the drag-and-drop page builder like Elementor. This makes customization a breeze. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for Elementor and install the page builder. Time to build your homepage. Start with a compelling headline. Add sections for Aisensy's core features, benefits, and showcase use cases with images and videos. Boost credibility by including client testimonials or detailed case studies. Real-world examples build trust. Showcasing real customer successes resonates and helps show the value of the platform. Create a clear and concise pricing page with different plans and a call to action. Make it easy for visitors to understand the value proposition. Don't forget a contact form. Make it easy for potential customers and partners to get in touch. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and then search for Contact Form plugins. Ensure your website looks great on all devices. Mobile optimization is crucial. Use the Elementor interface to test different screen sizes and make edits. Finally, publish your website and promote it. A well-designed website is key to a strong online presence.